cocktail.
Kids Emergency Doctor, let's get better. You have a very high temperature. We're staying home. Today is a sick day. What can we do to make you better? What can we do to make you better? Oh, my ears hurt. Poor little angel. We'll go to the ear doctor right away. Let's see what we have here. Let's choose something fun. Let's see what we have here. Let's choose something fun. Let's suck this mess out. Ta-da! Let's suck this mess out. Perfect. Let's clean that ear up. Let's clean that ear up. Well done. Let's mix a medicine. We need to zoom in for this one. Well done. Excellent. What can we do here? Let's check your hearing now. Excellent. What can we do here? What can we do to make you better? My throat is sore. Oh, honey, we'll go to the throat doctor right away. Let's see what we have here. Let's choose something fun. What can we do here? Great job. Let's clean up the tongue. Have some syrup. Great job. Let's cure those sores. Ta-da! Bacteria be gone. Ta-da! Ta-da! You did great. Have a lollipop. Thanks. Yay. My nose is so stuffy. Poor baby, we need to see the nose doctor. Let's see what we have here. Let's choose something fun. Let's clean up that nose real good. Great job. Don't be scared. This won't hurt a bit. Ta-da! Let's clean up that nose real good. Great job. We need to zoom in for this one. Great job. We need to zoom in for this one. Well done. Excellent. Well done. Ta-da! Ta-da! You did great. Have a lollipop.
Thanks.
Whew. Yay, your temperature's getting lower.
Mom, I'm hungry.
I know, we need some warm and tasty comfort food. How about a tasty sandwich? Let's add some jam and peanut butter. Spread it evenly. Now, a fruity touch. Looks delicious. Let's cut it in a fun shape. Tasty. Let's try it. Let's make something warm and tasty. Let's cut the veggies. Now let's turn the stove on and set the maximum temperature. And let's spice it up. Tasty and warm. Let's try it. This was tasty. Hope it made you feel better. Whew. Yay, your temperature's getting lower. The best thing for the flu is taking a nice hot bath.
That's a great idea.
Let's get the perfect water temperature. Let's fill the bath with water. Well done. Now some bubble soap for bubbly fun. You look adorable. You look funny.